Hi friends, today we are looking at topic 13, lesson 1, add and subtract with measurements. So you might need to actually measure out some things today, or it seems like with a lot of the problems that I put on your worksheet, we are being given two measurements. Usually they give us a square or like a rectangle shape, and you have to figure out the other two, and then we're figuring out total distances. So let me show you what I mean by that. What is the total distance around the rectangle? Did you add or subtract to figure that out? So I have here a blue rectangle. A lot of the examples they do give you the measurements for, but I actually went the step further with this example and gave you something a little bit harder. So I'm going to line up the edge of my ruler with the edge of the blue rectangle, and I am going to measure this out. So I'm on the inches side right now, so it seems like this long side is 5 inches. So I know that because this is a perfect rectangle, the side that I measured is 5 inches, but also the side directly across is also 5 inches long. Now I have to measure the top, and I'll know that the top and the bottom are the same. So I only have to do one measurement for that. So it seems like when I measure it out, and I perfectly align everything, that this side is 2 inches. So I know that this side where it directly across is also 2 inches. So now I have to figure out the total length around this rectangle, almost as if I'm going to put up a fence around the whole rectangle. I need to figure out how long, how much fence I need, how many inches total. So in order to figure out the total number of inches of, let's say, fence I need to go around this whole rectangle, would I add these numbers together or would I subtract these numbers from one another? I would add them all together. So I'm going to add up each side, and I'm just going to kind of go around in a circle. So 5 inches plus 2 inches plus 5 inches plus 2 inches equals. So I'm going to use my knowledge of, I can use my knowledge of doubles facts, and I can do 5 and 2, 5 and 2. So 7 plus 7 equals 14 inches. The total length around this rectangle is 14 inches. Again, I added up the sides all together. You might be given, in the examples today, you might be given the length here and the length here. You're going to have to know that in order to find the total length, you need to double whatever they have there. So you need to add 5 2 times and 2 2 times, because the total length is not just this L shape, it's the whole rectangle. So be aware of that as you move forward.